Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make phone calls or send SMS using swipe feature in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung smartphone home screen. So here what you need to do is just open the inbuilt Samsung phone application, and now you can select the context or the recent context also, whichever you like. So for the example, I'm selecting a recent option. Say I have one call, right? So you can use a context also for this video tutorial. So most probably what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on the contact name to make phone calls or send SMS to a particular person, right? So here we are not gonna use this feature, so we are gonna use a swipe feature. So in order to make phone calls, just swipe towards the right direction, so just like this. As you can see here, you can see a call option, and just release it, and it will make phone calls. And if you want to send a SMS or a message, then just swipe towards the left direction, just like this. As you can see, I'll just release it. You can just type the message and send it to the respective person. So I'm sure many of the new Samsung phone users may not know this cool features hidden inside the phone application. So using this method, you can make phone calls or send SMS using swipe feature in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.